Hello, welcome to Educate E-commerce, your one-stop destination for Shopify tutorials and e-commerce solutions. So today in this video, we're going to see how you can set up shipping for your e-commerce store. So on Shopify, there is a separate shipping and delivery option where you can set up all the shipping details so that you can send out your products to your customers and charge them for the middleman. So we're going to click or go to the settings and click on the shipping and delivery. You can click on that, and here you'll be able to see a shipping option. So here in the shipping option, generally there is two things to note. First one is the shipping profile and the shipping zone. So we'll take about that. We have different categories. First one is the general shipping rate, where all the products that comes in a specific category, all the products will have a specific rate mentioned. So that's the general shipping rate. Then there is a custom shipping rate for a particular product. So when you are considering all of the products, you might need to charge them a certain kind of amount. So for that, you use the general shipping rate. If you have custom products, let's say if it's based on the type of the product that is, or the if you're charging that product based on the weight, or heavy goods, bulk products, you might need to set up a custom shipping rate. So we'll talk about that later. Then we have the local delivery and local pickup option. So if you don't have a middleman, you can also do local pickup and delivery options as well. So first of all, we're going to go to the general shipping rates. So here you can click on the manage rates option. So in this, you will be able to see a general profile where all of the products in your store will be available. So here you will be able to see two options. So there are mainly two. First one is the domestic and the rest of the world. So if you're shipping inside your country, then that's considered as domestic. And when you're shipping outside of the country to the rest of the world, worldwide shipping, then that will again have shipping different shipping rate if you have one. So first of all, I'm going to do the domestic one. So here I'm going to click on to the edit rate option. So here in this, you can set a standard name and also the price. So here I'm going to add 50. That's the standard price of standard shipping rate. So I'm clicking on done. Then this will be the standard rate for all of the products that's available within that country. So if I edit this again, there's an option to add conditions. So here you can either take products based on the weight and also order price. So you can add a minimum weight and a maximum weight, and also whichever products that comes under this between these condition will be charged this price. Okay, same goes for the order price. So I'm going to set a minimum price and a maximum price for this rate. So here let's give it 0, and the maximum price is 500. So whichever products that come into between the 0 and 500 option, that person will be charged a $50. Okay, so now I'm going to give it done. So that's a shipping rate that I've just added. So I'm going to add another shipping rate. So this will be shipping free shipping rate. Okay, now I'm going to add a condition. Okay, this again will be based on the price. So minimum price is 500, and up to maximum of how many amount the product will be shipped for free. So I'm going to give that. So what happened is 0 to 500, the amount is 50, and for the standard free rate, standard above the 500 rupees will be having a price of free. So that's the shipping setup that I have just done. So if I just go to my store, here in my store, in the checkout section, I have a product rate that's of 1,400. I'm going to check the checkout. In the checkout, you will be able to see a shipping method, and it's given as standard free. So again, the shipping is given as free. So let's go back to the cart, and I'm going to remove a few items so that my charge is 0. Below 5. When you're in this, so I have added a product that's below 500 rupees. So here you can see there is a shipping rate that's mentioned as 50, and this is the standard shipping rate for 50 rupees. So whichever product that comes under 500 rupees will be charged a 50 rupees. Okay, so the same goes with the rest of the world also. You can set a price. So next one is creating a new shipping zone. So I'm going to create a new shipping zone. You can either choose continent, or you can customly select some countries. So I'm going to select the neighboring countries. So in my neighboring countries, I'm going to give up slash price. Okay, so I have added few countries, so I'm going to click done. So here you can see there's some neighboring countries that I have to give some price. So I'm going to add my price. First one is standard, and I'm going to add a standard price. So here the standard price will be 75, let's say, and I'm going to add a condition. So here I'm going to choose the minimum weight. So if the product weighs between 0 to let's say 5, I'm going to give it a 75 rupees of price. Okay, so I am just giving it done. Next, I'm going to give another shipping rate, and this will be 100 rupees. So this will be for again the condition. So here again between the kilo of 5 to 20, I'm going to charge 100. So that's one condition. So you can either choose price and also kilograms. For the kilogram option, you can go to the product section, and when you're adding a product, there will be a shipping part, and also you can add those price in that point. So if I just save this is one shipping zone. So here we have added a shipping zone, and also we have known how you can add rates. Next, we're going to go back to our page. Here you can see create a new profile. Okay, so here I'm going to add a few more products. Again, this is the same process. So I've added a new name for the products, and you can add the products by clicking into this. So if you want to select some products and give that product some different amount or different zone, maybe some products you can't ship into different countries. So for that you can add it differently. Okay, so here I'm going to select some products. So I've added some products here, and we can again create a new shipping zone. Here I don't want this products to go out of the world. I just want to restrict it in the continent Asia. Okay, so again this comes under Asia, and also I'm going to add another shipping zone, and this will be domestic, and this will be again India. So we have added a new shipping zone here, and also a new shipping a domestic country, and also there are some countries that are not listed in this zone. So this is how again you can add the rates and also add the domestic prices as well. So this is how you can change the products. Like if you are having different product samples, you don't want to ship to particular places, or you don't want to ship to some other things, then you can use this profile. And also this will be very good if you are using this settings to ship your products. And also you can also use other apps as well to maintain the shipping, or you can have the delivery partners fitted into the Shopify app. So this is the basic shipping setup, and I hope this video helped you. And if you like this video, give a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll come up with more videos on Shopify and e-commerce very super soon. So we'll see another video. Bye.